Hello, folks. Josh Allen here, charter flight support, University of Oklahoma, nickname's Fireball, and me and Lewis are getting waxed on the front nine, but we're about to turn it on. Press.
Luis Garcia, the Jet Merchants, Diesel Driving Academy. We are behind right now, but that's the front nine, and nobody gets rich on the front nine. We got this.
Rich Brennan, worked for Goodwin. I went to North Carolina Wesleyan University, home of the Battling Bishops, and me and my boy Tommy Nelson are gonna kick some ass on the back nine.
What's up? Tommy Nelson, Trilogy Aviation Group, TCU, go Frogs. And I'm gonna carry Rich on the back nine.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Rich Brennan. It's up, it's right.
Hold on, baby.
Is this driver?
It's in grass. You gotta have golf voice, right?
Yeah. Is this driver?
Yeah. Tommy Nelson with the Horny Toads. He hit a good one on 9, folks. Let's see if he can do it again. Yes, he can.
Oh, yes, sir. Look
Pipe
at that.
Central.
Look at that. Right there, baby.
Guy forgot his golf club. He's got a cigar, but he forgot his club. Gotta use the golf voice.
What's the over-under on club grip?
True.
True. Consummate professional.
I think I'll probably give this about 450.
450 inches, folks. He's got to come through his partner hitting the shit. He hasn't done it all day. And he might be alive. No, he's dead.
Nope.
Fireball.
That looks pretty damn good.
Oh, baby.
Going to Phoenix. And we have Josh at the box. And he kills it as always. Or did he?
It's not.
So it's 120? I mean,
You can't go long because if you go in that back bunker, you're effed.
can't go long, can't go short, huh?
Pretty much.
Quite the conundrum. Quite the conundrum.
Don't do either one. Be a good hole for hole 1.
No, it wouldn't.
Why?
You're playing me.
No.
Well, if we do, it'll be captured on camera.
You're gonna take the whole bar tab tonight.
It's got the angle.
No, it's left.
Good shot. What are we looking at? 115?
All right, so Josh, what course are we on? Where are we?
Scottsdale, Arizona, baby. Home to yours truly. And Charter Flight Support.
These guys went the wrong way.
Those guys are losers. And we're at DC Ranch Country Club. Playing number 12. We went up the hill. And we are even on the backside, which is important because we're about to go wax.
That is true. I gotta admit, this is a beautiful course. So thank you for inviting us out today.
Thank you. I didn't build it.
But you gave us access, which we appreciate. So what's that mountain over there?
Oh, those are the McDowells.
Who lives there?
Some rich dude.
Who lives there?
Another rich dude.
What about that one over there? It looks like a hotel.
That one's actually kind of funny. It's currently listed at for $20 million.
20 million US or Canadian? Because that matters these days.
US. It just hit the auction block, sold for 9.5.
That's a pretty good discount. Did you buy it?
No.
No.
Oh, come on. Hold on. What are the odds this club touches the sand?
Trillion%.
Which one?
All of them. These guys have been in the bunkers more than SEALs in Afghanistan. Cajun, Puerto Rican. Did Rich just hit a good shot? Sorry, we didn't get it on video.
Flush that.
Good shot. Instagrammers in the wild. All right, Lewis, this is our 11th hole. You've been in the sand on all 11 holes. Can you figure it out? Feet look good. And he swings and misses. Was that? That was one of your better swings.
Your practice shot, huh?
Oh, then to win.
Nice, Rich.
You want me to get?
I'm like not finished.
Ooh, he's gonna like it. We filmed the first good shot of Lewis's day.
Career.
There's your draw.
Booyah.
So look what happens when you don't throw the club.
I go straight.
See, a lot of people don't know this, but Rich Brennan is the Chuck Norris of Private Aviation. Watch and learn.
Ooh, Richie Rich! Oh, baby. Leg. Flush that. Should have hit pitching wedge.
All right, so check it out. In a second, Josh is going to pull the classic snake under the towel trick on Tommy. Let's see how he reacts. He told us he hates snakes. We're in the desert. Let's see how it goes.
That's your towel, Luke. Towel. I think it's Rich.
Not funny.
Oh, Josh is the prankster.
Everybody meet Fred. This is Fred.
Hey, Fred.
He's undefeated. I think my
What is he, 1,000-0?
Hasn't lost.
Woke up with the sun shining, yeah. Birds are singing songs today. Good vibes, yeah, they're here to stay. Smiling every step I
Sorry.
So Josh makes this, we win the hole.
Too close. Too close.
Boom.
If you're not cheating, you're not trying. Everybody knows the game. Lewis, lane 3, after 1 shot. Oh, the LPGA move. Beautiful, beautiful.
I have a hiker.
All right.
What do you think your chances are here?
I like my.
Pretty good. I'm about 100 out.
So this is too much.
Joshie's 220 out.
If you like golf, you're gonna like this.
Oh yeah. He pushed it a little bit.
Should have hit 4 iron.
Yeah. Good shot. Good shot.
Fireball.
Oh, he chili dipped it a little bit. Go ball. That's gonna be all right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He paid his dues. Good shot, baby. Good job.
I mean, I guess I say that, but I hit a perfect drive, but.
Good job, Rich.
Just get half the hole. Half the hole for nothing. Walk it in. Walk it in. Walk it in.
Fireball.
What? That was an ass whooping.
Thank you, Paul.
Ass whooping
That was fun. That was fun.
It was a good ass whooping though.
All right, let's roll the gut.
So much fun.
Art.
We called it.
Hey man, good one.